So if you are a fresher and want to come into the field of data analytics, or if you are experienced and want to switch your domain to data analytics, so make sure to subscribe this channel because here we do not bring only job notification but also upgrade your skills. Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So today we have one more internship for the freshers for the profile of data analyst. So Supertails company is providing the opportunity for the internship for the freshers. So it is one of the leading IT company specialized in the IT testing and development. So this internship opportunity is in the Internshala platform. So location is going to be Bangalore and it is a 3-month internship program and the stipend that you will be getting is 15,000 per month, which is quite good. And the end date for this application is 18 June. So make sure you grab this opportunity. Now coming to the day-to-day responsibility for this profile. So you have to collect, verify and take the ownership of the information generated in the company by tracking multiple data points. You have to provide support to the services team to build up a database and perform reconciliation. You have to handle multiple reports working with the formulas, pivot tables, pivot charts, and various other Excel sheet components for accurate data. You have to build up reports, dashboards using MIS reporting tool. You have to create bar charts, pie charts, and many more. So you will get end-to-end good exposure in the field of data analytics. Now coming to the eligibility. So candidates should be possessed with the good knowledge and hands-on experience in the advanced Excel and knowledge of other data analysis tools must be preferred. Now coming to some features of this internship. So one must be available for full time in the office and the duration of this internship is 3 months. So if you have relevant knowledge and experience you can apply. So if you want to kickstart your career in the field of data analytics, so Internshala, one of the great e-learning platform is offering you one of the data science course with guaranteed placement. So in this course you will not only get a valuable skills and knowledge but also have chance to receive a placement offer. And these courses are designed by the top MNCs professionals so you will get end-to-end good exposure. So Internshala already offered 45,000 internships till date and the highest stipend that they offered is 50,000 per month. And post internship the highest salary package that you will be getting is 11 LPA. So if you are recently graduate or pursuing your graduation, this course is going to be beneficial for them so you can apply here. So if you will opt for this course, you will get 100% guarantee for the placement. So coming to the skills that you will be getting when you opt for this course. So they will train you on Power BI, MySQL, Tableau and other big data tools like Hadoop, Spark, etc. In this course, you will get the opportunity to work with the industry level projects and the certificate that you will be getting is government certified and also AI powered. After completing the course, many of the students got placed in big MNC like Amazon, EY, PhonePe, Tech Mahindra, Bajaj Finance, etc. And apart from that, they will also train you for your personal growth by your personality development, interview preparations, and also enhancing your skills. So don't wait for last date and apply for this course.